Belly fat, 6 reasons you're not losing it and how to fix it. Are you frustrated with stubborn belly fat that just won't budge? You're not alone. Many people struggle with this, even when following a healthy lifestyle. Let's explore common reasons why you might not be seeing results and, more importantly, how to fix them. Stress can wreak havoc on your body, especially when it comes to belly fat. When stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that encourages fat storage, particularly in the abdominal area. This is your body's way of preparing for a perceived threat. Chronic stress keeps cortisol levels elevated, leading to increased appetite and cravings for sugary and fatty foods. These cravings can sabotage your weight loss efforts and contribute to belly fat accumulation. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial. Try incorporating relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine. Even a few minutes of mindfulness can make a significant difference in your cortisol levels and overall well-being. Even if you're following a diet, it might not be optimized for belly fat loss. Many diets focus solely on calorie restriction, which can lead to muscle loss and a slower metabolism. A balanced approach is key. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. These foods are nutrient-dense and help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Pay attention to portion sizes and avoid sugary drinks and processed snacks. These are often high in calories and low in nutrients, contributing to belly fat storage. Small changes can make a big difference. Sleep deprivation can disrupt your hormones and metabolism, making it harder to lose belly fat. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more ghrelin, a hormone that stimulates appetite. At the same time, sleep deprivation reduces leptin, a hormone that signals fullness. This hormonal imbalance can lead to increased cravings and overeating, especially of unhealthy foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed, and ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Prioritizing sleep is essential for weight management. While all exercise is beneficial, some types are more effective for targeting belly fat. Cardio exercises like running, swimming, and cycling can help burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. However, strength training is also crucial for building muscle mass. Muscle helps boost your metabolism, allowing you to burn more calories even when you're at rest. Combine cardio and strength training for optimal results. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio per week and 2 to 3 strength training sessions. Consistency is key. In some cases, stubborn belly fat can be a sign of an underlying health condition. Conditions like insulin resistance, polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, and hypothyroidism can make it harder to lose weight, especially around the abdomen. If you suspect you might have an underlying health condition, it's important to consult with your doctor. They can run tests to determine if there's a medical reason for your weight gain and recommend appropriate treatment. Addressing any underlying health issues is crucial for successful weight loss and overall well-being. Don't hesitate to seek professional medical advice. Losing belly fat takes time and effort. It's important to be patient and consistent with your healthy habits. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes rather than quick fixes. These changes will not only help you lose belly fat, but also improve your overall health and well-being in the long run. Celebrate small victories along the way, and remember that progress, not perfection, is the goal. Stay positive and keep moving forward. Ready to finally ditch that stubborn belly fat? Take control of your health today. Don't wait. Start your journey to a healthier, happier you.